Good morning, everybody. Are you all awake? I am. Did you all write your life cycle already this morning? You see? I did. Only an hour, I have to admit, only an hour. But anyways, it's great to be back here again, as I said yesterday, for our annual conference and seminar on Sunday morning. It's always great to see also all the champions coming out throughout the day and talking about their training and posing, nutrition, and all those different things. And one of the things they always mention that we should keep is the seminar. And I think we can see with the attendance that we have here today that people are very interested in the seminar aspect of the whole thing. So it's what I would do is talk a little bit, and then you can then ask questions. Anything that has to do with training and nutrition or anything else that you want to ask. It makes a difference. I'm so used to answering any question when you're every day in front of the press. You can imagine the kind of questions that you get. So but it's always been fun. But first, let me just say to you that we are very proud, as Jim has said just earlier, of our Arnold Classic, because I think that what it has developed into is something that we visualized 30 years ago when we started out. But we recognized that it would take a long time to get there where we wanted to be, which is to have the biggest fitness expo and to have all kinds of competition for women and for men, and to bring all the sports together like they've done in other places around the world. And I think because we always offer more than we have promised, I think people have been very loyal, have been coming every year. And so this year, when I looked around the convention hall and all the various different facilities and see the great enthusiasm amongst the people. And there's so many sports. And then, of course, there's the cage fighting, and that they always do get a lot of exposure. I went there yesterday after we were finished here. I went over to see that, with the Nationwide Arena, which was fantastic. It was packed with 22,000 people there. And it was another great addition to the Arnold Classic, and we love having them be part of all of this. So there's so many different things, and it's just getting bigger and bigger every year. And like Jim said, we had, this year we have 17,000 athletes here from around 50 countries. So this is really big. I mean, I don't know. I've been to a lot of international championships in different sports, but the only ones that I can think of has that many athletes and from that many nations is the Olympics. And so I think that this Columbus, of course, has been the ideal place to stage this. We're very proud of it, and there's, of course, no end in sight. There's many more sports that are asking us to become part of this, and we will always look at them very carefully and see if they will fit in and how they will fit in and so on. So we are proud of all that.